We got it. All right, guys. How we doing there?
Okay.
Don't fall asleep on me, guys. Come on, this is the party camp.
I know, it's like your booty. Yay!
We party up in here. When you get back home, you can sleep. While you're on this boat, you got a party. So, a little piece of energy that you got left, we got a party. I had to call the doctor just now, and he ordered shots for all you guys. I called the doctor, and he said, I must give you all shots. And guess what? Those shots are on behalf of Noah and his engagement. Congratulations. So, they get 2 shots apiece. So make sure that...
Don't forget about the victory in the volleyball tournament and the air shots.
So those guys that take 2 shots each.
Mom, Dad.
Right, but guys, don't take a shot until you hear that song come on. Shots. Everybody, as soon as you hear that chorus come on, then you take your shot. So hold on to your shot.